Experiencing the dreaded audio losing sync error in DaVinci Resolve after replacing tracks can instantly stop your editing. Get an immediate fix for this audio losing sync error now. First, check your DaVinci Resolve project settings. Open Master Settings, match your video monitoring frame rate precisely to your timelines, and confirm optimized media formats. This corrects fundamental timing discrepancies. If that doesn't work, clear the render cache. Navigate to Playback, select Delete Render Cache, and choose All. This purges corrupted temporary data causing playback glitches. Next, examine individual audio clip attributes. Right-click the DaVinci clip, select Clip Attributes, and adjust its sample rate to match project settings. Mismatched sample rates are a common culprit. Finally, ensure your system and software are current. Update GPU drivers and DaVinci Resolve to the latest versions. These updates provide crucial bug fixes. A quick system restart finalizes changes for perfect audio synchronization.